So we are going to take a look at how to create a board on Pinterest. What I want to do first is to show you what your timeline will look like on Pinterest. You can see all these different pinned photographs. These are all linked to the original 5 categories we randomly selected when we began the setup. What Pinterest does is show you images in your timeline related to the topics you picked. The more you use Pinterest, you will start to follow people and different boards will then appear in your timeline. So let's just go to our profile. I will show you what to do if you decided you wanted to change your business name. So we go to Mickey Mouse Travel and change it to John Smith Travel. We would then need to save the settings at the bottom. You can see it has changed to John Smith Travel. This section here I will come back to on a separate video because we actually need to have quite a few boards set up to be able to do this. Let's move down to the bottom where it says Create Board. Now when you are thinking about the names for the boards, consider what people might type into the search boxes on Pinterest. When you do a search in Google, Pinterest will actually move across and give you ideas of things you can click on in Google. And you will be diverted to people's Pinterest boards. Now you could put here something like Caribbean holidays. This will create a massive board as there are so many different holidays that can be taken in the Caribbean. What you may prefer to do is narrow it down, for example, Barbados holidays. Or narrow it down even further and have honeymoons in Barbados. You need to think outside the box and consider what you think people might type in. You could have infinity pools in Barbados. There are a whole host of ways you can actually make the board more user-friendly or easy to find. What I am going to go with at the moment is fabulous beaches. Then for description, you could put fabulous beaches around the world, John Smith Travel Expert. Category, we will look for travel. We don't want to keep it secret. You can have a secret board, but this is something purely for you that you do not want anyone else to see. You might want to create a vision board for your business. It would be great to have that there. Collaborators. To be honest, we are not going to really use this. It would be where you have someone else working in your team. We then click Create. Now you can see it is giving you space to put pins onto this board. We will be using this board we have created. What I will show you in the next video is how to get pins onto your board. We will look at the various ways of doing this from Facebook, from the website, and you can upload pins from other boards. We will look at that in more detail later on.